हम्म, अत्र वयं स्मः आङ्ग्लवाक्यानि. Two examiners examine the girls in dancing. So प्राश्निकौ कन्ये नृत्येषु अथवा कन्ययोः नृत्यं पर्यवेक्षेताम् इति. अग्रिमम्. We too rejoiced at the sight of our mother.
जनन्याः दर्शनेन आमोदावहि.
जनन्याः दर्शनेन आमोदामहि.
I wrote darshanat.
हाँ, दर्शनात् दर्शनेन हेतु वर्तते इति कृत्वा तृतीया अपि पंचमी अपि शक्यते.
So is it amodavahi or amodavahi?
आमोदावहि.
Is it amodavahi or amodavahi?
उभयम् अपि साधु. रिजॉयस् इति अमोदावहि अपि तत्र भवति. आ इति उपसर्गपूर्वकम् आमोदते इत्यस्य लङ्लकार अपि तादृशमेव इति कृत्वा अमोदावहि इत्यपि साधु, आमोदावहि इत्यपि साधु.
इंटरेस्टिंग.
आसमन्तात् मोदते नाम सर्वतः तस्य आनन्द एव भवति. यदा मातृदर्शनं भवति सर्व प्रकारैः सर्वविधैः अथवा सर्वथा सर्वप्रकारेण आनन्दितः भवामि इत्यर्थः. मोदते इत्यस्य रिजॉयस्, आमोदते इत्यस्य वेरी वेरी रिजॉयस्ड इत्यर्थः भवति.
Amoda is like past tense, right? Modate
is a kriyapada. Past tense would be amodate, amodata. करेक्ट. तो अमोदत का और मोदते का लंग लकार यदि करते हैं तो अमोदत ऐसा बनता है. और आमोदते का भी पास्ट टेंस करते हैं तो आमोदत, सेम फॉर्म यू विल गेट. जस्ट दीर्घ आकार विल गो इनटू छोटा वाला आकार आ प्लस अ, दैट्स इट. ओरिजिनल वुड बी अमोदत. If you are adding a upasarga, it would be dirghadesha, and finally you will get the form amodata. Amodatam iti.
So you're saying modate is also one version. Amodata is also another version of the present tense.
Amodate is also another, means it is a upasarga purvak kriya padam, that's it.
That means like you're extremely rejoiced.
Okay. You too. What was the last form? Amoda vahi na? Vahi.
Vahi.
Next. You too did not begin the work.
Yuvam karyam na prasthapete.
Begin. आरभेते. और
it is not past tense.
Past tense would be
आरभेथाम
इति. युवां कार्यं न आरभेथाम इति. We too saluted the rishi.
आवाम, the rishi singular, आवाम ऋषिम अभ्यवाद्यावहि.
वादयति, अभिवादयति, right? So अभिवादया.
The will be complete. अभिवादयावहि.
वादयति, अभिवादयति इति रूपं भवति खलु. So अभिवादयति इति निजन्त. So it would be आवाम ऋषिम अभ्यवादयावहि.
अभ्यवादयावहि.
I wrote avandavahi.
That is also fine. Avandavahi. Okay, here we are. They too suspected a repulse from the king.
Okay. Tau nrupat avadhiranam ashanketam.
Tau nrupat from nrupa avadhiranam ashankhe
Tam.
tam it is. Ashanketam. Nice. We were born of a family of Gandharvas.
गंधर्वाणां कुले अजयामहि.
Ajayamahi.
ओ अजाया, हाँ जायते, ओके, अजायामहि.
The birds disregarded the advice of their leader and fell into the net.
Yeah, this was
Okay. This one I think I had some problem. Khagaha tesham nayakasya salaha.
अरे सलाह नहीं होगा, उपदेश.
उपदेश.
Salah is Urdu, right? उपदेश.
Upadesha avadhirana cha jale apatataha.
Disregarded इत्यस्य किं कृतं?
avadhirana.
न, तत्र क्रियापदम् आवश्यकं. Disregarded. उपदेशम्
Upadesham
अवमन्यन्त अवामन्यन्त इति.
avamanyanta.
तथा
जाले अपततः.
हाँ, बहुवचनम्. अपतन्. जाले अपतन्.
अपतन. Okay.
Patati is a parasmepadi, so apatan. The faults of the Brahmanas were forgiven by the king.
नृपतिन् ब्राह्मणाम् अपराधाः अक्षम्यन्त.
Again,
नृपतिन् ब्राह्मणाम्
the king,
अपराधाः.
by the king. So basically, this sentence is passive.
कर्मणि प्रयोगः.
Karmani prayoga. The faults karma of whom, of Brahmanas, were forgiven. So correct only akshamyanta. Akshamyanta iti. Kintu kim?
ब्राह्मणा
No.
अपराधाः.
अपराधाः केषां? ब्राह्मणानाम् अपराधाः
Okay.
नृपतिना अथवा नृपेण भूपतिना
अक्षम्यन्त.
अक्ष-
Brahmanas, the aparadhas of the. Okay, got it. Thank you. Sorry.
So the faults you said aparadhan.
न प्रथमा विभक्ति. कर्मणि कर्मपदस्य प्रथमा भवति. अपराधाः अक्षम्यन्त. तो नृपतिना ब्राह्मणानाम् अपराधाः अक्षम्यन्त इति. You too shook with fear at the sight of the tiger.
युवां व्याघ्रस्य दर्शनस्य दर्शनेन भयेन अकम्पेथाम्.
अकम्पेथाम्. युवां व्याघ्रस्य दर्शनेन अकम्पेथाम्. इत्यपि सा.
But it says by you to shukala. Okay. No, you don't need to use fear word.
भयात् कम्पेथाम, that is fine. तो व्याघ्रस्य दर्शनेन भयात् अकम्पेथाम इति.
Can we also say bhayen akapetham?
तेनापि तृतीया अन्तनु शक्यते. You strive ना. Okay, you strove for, क्या है,
Capture.
कैप्चर है, मेरे इसमें कैप्चू लिखा है, कैप्चू लिखा है. ओके, टाइप.
I took it as capture.
हाँ.
Right.
Okay, हाँ. You strove for capture of elephant.
So I could not finish this one, but I said, so it is singular use, so I put tvam, right? Gajasya grahanam, and then I couldn't finish it.
No, I said yuvam for you two. You two, yuvam gajasya bandhanaya yatetham
ayatetham.
ayatetham.
Okay. Ayatetham. Singular if it is singular, or plural. Singular it would be ayathetha. Plural would be dhvam. Ayatadhvam. That's it.
Ayatadhvam.
If it is plural, whatever, if you want to take single, हाथी एक अकेला पकड़ा नहीं जाएगा ना एक आदमी से. So either it is plural or let's.
No, but in this case it said you two.
हाँ.
You two, I missed it.
Okay. You two. In our book there is only you in bracket. See.
Oh yeah, sorry. I somehow added you two. Okay, got it.
Okay. The two children did not feel happy without their mother.
Balau jananim vina happy. Sukham na avindetam.
Avindetam. Fine. Next. Rama's virtues were praised by poets.
This one I kept thinking it must be Karmani Prayoga.
Must be, it is.
So I wrote Ramasya Gunan.
Gunaha.
Gunaha. Oh my God. Why is that like that? Gunaha Pratama Vibhakti, huh?
Karmani.
Karma Pradam.
Karma Padam, right?
Karma Padam will be in Prathama Vibhakti. Ramasya Gunaha Kavibhyaha Kavibhihi. No, but poets, no? Poets.
Plural, na? Kavibhihi.
Kavibhihi Stuyante.
Were praised.
Ashlaghante is another word I used.
Ashlaghyanta. Ashlaghyanta. Okay. O Ramasya Gunaha Kavibhihi Ashlaghyanta iti. Next. By application, they obtain much wealth.
Udyogena prabhutam dhanam
avindanta. They too sought their daughter in forest.
Okay, I don't think I use the right dhatu in here, but I wrote तौ तेषां पुत्रीम् अरण्ये अरण्ये अन्वेषत I don't know.
कन्यां
हम्म
वने अमृगयेताम्.
अमृगयेथाम् इति.
Okay. अमृगयेथाम्.
Two of them.
मृगयति is क्रियापद, right? अमृगयेथाम्. 2 mangoes were tasted by 2 travelers.
2 mangoes.
Karmani again.
Amre. Okay.
Amrau. The traveler.
पन्थाभ्याम.
किं कः शब्दः?
So panthinah, right? Panthabhyam.
The pantha shabda goes little, pathibhyam.
Okay. Pathibhyam. Amre, right? 2 mangoes. Amre.
Amrau.
Swad.
Shabda amrah.
Amraha, amrau, amraha. Amram, amru, amraha. Amrau. Amrau. Swadetam.
Aswadetam. Swadate.
तो अस्वाद्येताम और देताम. अस्वादेताम और अस्वाद्येताम.
Dual. Aswadetam.
Thank you. Yes, sorry. Aswad.
So this is karmani prayoga?
Karmani prayoga. So the swadate. Karmani yakara would be added. And etam, swadetam, aswadetam iti.
Aswadetam, aswadetam.
So in this way, lang lakara we have seen like anayat, anayatam, anayan, anayah, anayatam, anayata, anayam, anayava, anayama. This is parasmaipada. अद्योतत अद्योतेताम अद्योतंत अद्योतथाः अद्योतेथाम अद्योतध्वम अद्योते अद्योतावहि अद्योतामहि. It is atmanipada. So this is how all the dhatus you can decline like as, iksha, mriga, vagara vagara. That is
what is adyo?
atti in the sense to eat. Asti means to be. Ikshate means to see. Mrigayati, that is to search. Srujati, to create. Rucharochate, to like. Mantrayate, to give, mantrana, advice. Ninayati, ishyati, to desire. Shikshayati athva shikshati means to learn, to teach. Jivati, to live. Didayate, to fly. Mriyate, to die. Janajayate, to born, to Janajayate means to come. Jayate means to born. Okay. Vritavartate. Vartate means to be. This kind of sign is called etc., right? Then
this is and see.
मतलब
I've never seen etc. like that.
ऐसा ही कुछ होता था ना पुराने इसमें.
Maybe I don't know that.
It could be because it's and see, so maybe they're trying to say etc. I've never seen it. It makes sense logically if you're saying it.
This kind of, so I thought, but etc. zone. Okay, next one. So we are entering into 19th. Basically here masculine neuter gender ending in ukaranta and rukaranta nouns. So guru shabda we have already memorized. Pitru shabda, it's going to come pitru kartru shabda. So again simple things only. So like Guruhu Guru Guravaha Gurum Guru Gurun Guruna Gurubhyam Gurubihi Gurave Gurubhyam Gurubhyah. So rest of the part also, if you memorize it, will be good. Neuter gender also you have to practice Madhu Madhuni Madhuni Madhu Madhuni Madhuni. Then Madhuna Madhubhyam Madhubihi Madhune Madhubhyam Madhubhyah Madhunaha Madhubhyam Madhubhyah. So up to fourth case in this part will be covered. In next there will be rest of the vibhaktis will be covered. Kartru Shabda is there. Rukaranta noun it is. In neuter gender, it goes like Kartru, Kartruni, Kartruni, Kartru, Kartruni, Kartruni. So Kartruna, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubihi. Rest of the part will go like Kartru Shabda, like Pullinga, Karta, Kartaro, Kartaro, उसका तृतीया से लेकर के सप्तमी तक बाकी सेम ही रहता है. प्रथमा and द्वितीया changes in neuter gender. That's it.
So
Now,
it's a Rikaranta Shabda, like Pitru Shabda.
even actually Kartra it would be Pullinga. Here it is Kartruna. So actually this Kartru neuter gender wala you have to memorize. Little
I know,
different.
but is it a Rikaranta Shabda?
It is Rikaranta Shabda.
Like Pitru Shabda.
Pitru Shabda goes little different. There is a difference between, it goes like a Pita, Pitarau. Would be there, Pita. But Karta, Kartarau. Akar would be there. So the all like a Kriya Padanta nouns will have A. Like a Karta, Rakshita, Rakshitarau. Chorayita, Chorayitarau. So Kriya Padanta form will have A, and Pitru, Matru, Bhratru. These words will go like Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha, Mata, Matarau, Mataraha. So little difference.
I have a quick question.
Typically,
Kartru, sorry. When we say plural form in the first and second case, so this Kartruni, the tru is Dirgha tru, right?
last in Bahuvachanam, right?
Yeah, in Bahuvachanam, that ru sound is a Dirgha Rukara.
Very
Is
good.
that right?
Yes. Okay. So Kartruna, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubihi, Kartrune, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhyah. Then rest of the part will be Kartrunaha, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhyah, Kartrunaha, Kartrunoho, Kartrunam. There would be Dirgha Rukara in Shashti Bahuvachanam. And Kartruni, then what Kartruni, Kartrubhyam, sorry, Saptami. Kartruni, Kartrunoho, Kartrushu. This is how it will go. Okay. Then Pullinga noun will go like this. This is how it will go. Karta kartaro kartaraha, neta netaro netaraha, netaram netaro netrun, netra netrubhyam netrubhihi, netri netrubhyam netrubhyah. This is how all Pullinga.
No, I have a question. I don't know the difference between Karta and Kartru. What is?
Kartru is a main. Okay. So Kartru, Netru, Rakshitru, this kind of the words will be declined in all three genders. So in Pullinga it will go like a Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha, Kartaram, Kartarau, Kartrun. Okay, the rest of the part Kartra, Kartrubhyam, etc. etc. In neuter gender it will go like Kartru, Kartruni, Kartruni, Kartru, Kartruni, Kartruni. So like this in neuter gender. And in Strilinga it would be Kartri like a Nadi Shabda. Kartri